top pick for the best air fryer was the Philips HD964196 Advanced Digital TurboStar Air Fryer, and this Philips air fryer took the top spot because it's got an easy to use interface, its ability to cook consistently good foods evenly, and it boasts a almost 2-pound and just under 3-quart capacity, and it features a selection of 5 presets suitable for cooking most popular dishes you can think of. There's even a keep warm function in case you can't get to your food right away, because if you've ever used an air fryer before, 1 minute can be the difference between golden brown and extra crispy. The air fryer easily cooked up about 4 servings at a time, making it ideal for family use, and it doesn't take up a lot of space in your kitchen, so leaving it on the countertop is definitely something you can do with this one, especially if you're going to be using it often. There's no preheating required with it, and there's a free app that it comes with 200 recipes, and if you don't want to use the app, it comes with a recipe book too. So if you're looking for the best air fryer out there, our top pick was the Philips HD9641/96 Advanced Digital TurboStar Air Fryer, and it could make a really nice addition to your kitchen.